Welcome friends, my name is Sarveshwar. In this video we would learn how to conduct significance test of correlation in RStudio. For that friends, we need to know for the first how do we conduct significance test of correlation. For that purpose you can see my earlier video in which I had shown what is the the procedure for conducting t-test for inquiring the significance of correlation. In this video, you would learn how to do it in R. It's for application part only. So this is my data, friends. This is the data for volatility in the spot market and volatility in the futures market. I want to know, is there exist any correlation between them? So when I say correlation, friends, so generally in finance, when we analyze a financial time series, correlation means Pearson's correlation. Okay, friends, you can also use here Kendall's tau and Spearman's rho because function is there in R. So, friends, the function for examining the correlation is core.test. COR.TEST. This is the function in R for examining the significance of correlation. Core.test. And just mention the variable you want to consider. Here we have two variables, volatility of the spot and volatility of the futures. Just mention their name. So by default it takes 95% level of significance and Pearson coefficients. When I enter this, I find Pearson's product moment correlation. So this is our output, friends. It simply shows us data, p-value, degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is nothing, friends. 733 total observations minus 2. The degree of freedom we have lost. So total degree of freedom is 731 here, n minus 2, and t-test statistic is 96.48, and alternate hypothesis is true correlation is not equal to 0. There exists some correlation, and the 95 and 95% confidence interval is given here, and sample estimate of correlation is 0.96. So we can see, friends, here the correlation is 0.96 and it's highly significant because the p value here is 2.2 e to the power minus 16, that is like almost 0. Okay, friends, so this is the way we conduct correlation test in R. But suppose you want to extract the values here. So how to do that? So when for that purpose we can just produce a variable. So that was the equation earlier. This is the formula. What we do here, we generate a variable or object a here for that purpose. This is the same we had earlier here. We are generating a variable. So now suppose you want to extract something from it. So this is object and put dollar sign dollar. So this is the sum. These are things already available with the result. What is the null hypothesis? What is the null value? What is the p value? What is the statistic? What is the method you have used here, like Spearman? These all things here. You can extract any of them, but mostly we extract t-test statistic or p-value. So statistic, enter, it's 96.48, and generally we take p-value also out, it's 0 almost. So we reject the null hypothesis and say in favor of alternate hypothesis that yes, they are highly correlated. 0.96 is the correlation between them. Here, friends, by default, as I have shown earlier, it takes Carl Pearson, but you can change it to Kendall or Spearman as well by mentioning in their command. And the null hypothesis you can also change here. Here the alternative hypothesis could be that there exists some correlation, means the correlation is not 0, correlation is negative, or alternate hypothesis could be the correlation between the variable is positive by putting it equal to greater. Okay, friends, greater means positive correlation, less means negative correlation. And if you want exact p-value in case of Kendall's tau and Spearman, this is not for Pearson, you can set the argument exact is equal to true, and generally the confidence level is 95%. You can also change the confidence level. Suppose this is the formula here we had, this is the function. Suppose you want to change the confidence level. So what you do here, go and add one more argument, conf level is equal to 0.99. So now we are getting the p value for 99%. Here it has shown, friends, it's 99%. So this is the way, friend, we conduct significance test of correlation in R. Thanks, friends. Keep watching. I hope this video was very helpful.